gonna give it. I think he needs a saxophone. I think he's gonna be a saxophone blues hopping player.
Did you hear him? He does this like, yeah, what is it called again?
Beatbox.
Beatbox, yeah. He learned it. He's kind of good for a baby. Yeah. You do. I don't know how to do it.
I don't either. It tickles my nose too much. Wrong way, sir. This is delicious. Like
You're not doing it right, well.
Oh no! Can I have it? Can I have it? Thanks. I actually used to know how to play this thing. Hold on. Get out there, drool. I don't really remember.
You like it.
Oh.
Like it.
You scared me. Right.